hang out with me for a few minutes and let's gaps and cracks a few projects that I have coming up. So first, let me tell you a little bit about gaps and cracks, and then I'll talk a little bit about these projects that we're working on here. So gaps and cracks is actually a spray insulation foam. You can get it at Walmart or even Dollar General, and even, home improvement stores like Lowe's, Home Depot, all of that. It's a insulation foam. Like I said, it's meant to seal cracks in any kind of doors or windows, but it also makes a fantastic permanent floral foam. So I love to use this. It works on wood and metal and fabric and all the things, plastic. It's just fantastic. And for the cost, so that can there is about $5. If you get the cheaper version, it's more like $3 or $4, and it will give you so many projects. And then what you have left over, if you do have any left over in the can, you can spray out in little patties that you can use for other projects. All right, so a little bit about it. So while it is great at floral foam and adhering to all the things, it's also, really good at destroying some things. So that is why you see cardboard. You also see that I'm wearing gloves. It will absolutely destroy a manicure. It will ruin your clothes, carpet, furniture. You don't want it in your hair, all the things, right? So if it means something to you, you do not want this on there. So that is why I have all the things to protect it. Also, I use a very even, gentle pressure because you do not want this splattering out. Like I said, you don't want this on anything you don't want it to be on. It will never come off. So while we love it for floral foam, you don't want an accident. All right, so I've given you a little warning. So what you see here are some of my projects. So let me catch you up here. So what I'm working on right now on my hand are these little tiny candlesticks from the Dollar Tree. I'll tell you what maybe I have planned for them in just a second. That plank there that you saw is actually meant to hang on the wall. It's from Walmart. I'm going to use it for one of my Walmart Wednesdays. And then the lasso that you saw there, I'm going to make a wreath out of. So this piece here is also another wood piece that's meant to hang on the wall. It's from the craft section of Walmart, the wood craft section. And I'm going to use this on my Walmart Wednesday as a table piece. So I'm making it something it's not supposed to be, using some gaps and cracks as my floral foam. And then what you see me bringing in now are these great cool little plant stands that I found at Ollie's. So again, you're probably wondering, what are you going to do with all of these and those little candlesticks? Well, friends, you know what's coming up? Wedding season. And wedding season is a fantastic and exciting time, but it also can be very expensive. And if you can DIY any of your little accent pieces or table pieces, things like that, well, that's where you can save money to use on the things that everybody remembers, like the food and the DJ and the drinks, right? Okay, so I can help you with some great ideas that are super budget friendly that you can incorporate to DIY some of your wedding and or major events or milestones. So if you're interested in how these turn out, well, follow me for more.